Hey everybody, you're watching Model Railroad Minute, an inside look showcasing the people and projects of the world's greatest hobby, model railroading. I'm Don Trink. In this episode, we're showcasing the December open house at the Carquinez Model Railroad Society, which was held the weekend of December 5th and 6th, 2015. Open houses give the boys a chance to show off all their hard work on the layout, and of course their trains. As always, we had lots of visitors and lots of fun. Let's take a look.
Can you hear the rumble? Can you hear the sound? There's a train a-comin' to our little town. Mighty like the thunder, like the buffalo. Can you hear the whistle blow?
Before any airplanes, before any cars, there were trains that came here from both near and far. Across the high Sierra and the frontier states, all aboard, now it's not too late.
'Cause it's a train, train, train coming down the track. And it's a train, train, train with a big smokestack. The engine's at the front, the caboose is at the back. And it's a train, 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 clickety-clack. It used to take us 6 months just to cross our land on a covered wagon through the burning sand. But on a train the journey's only 7 days, from Omaha to the Frisco Bay. At Topeka and the Santa Fe, they could climb a mountain in a single day. The Union Pacific and the Central too joined their tracks and the train went through. 'Cause it's a train, train, train coming down the track. And it's a train, train, train with a big smokestack. The engine's at the front, the caboose is at the back. And it's a train, 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 clickety-clack. The railroad got the land next to the right-of-way, which they sold to farmers for a rainy day. Little towns were planted like some seeds of corn. They grew up and a city was born. This song's for the hobos and the engineers, for the model makers and the balladeers, for anyone from any town who loves a train. For all my friends, sing the song again. 'Cause it's a train, train, train coming down the track. And it's a train, train, train with a big smokestack. Engine's at the front, the caboose is at the back. And it's a train, 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 clickety-clack. 'Cause it's a train, train, train coming down the track. And it's a train, train, train with a big smokestack. Engine's at the front, the caboose is at the back. And it's a train, 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 clickety, train, train, train coming down the track. And it's a train, train, train with a big smokestack. Engine's at the front, the caboose is at the back. And it's a train, 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 clickety-clack. On the board, the board, the board, the board.
Train, train, train. I've got a thing about trains. I get a sad kind of feeling when I see a passenger train in this fast-moving world that we live in. Nobody rides them much these days. Maybe I'm a little sentimental, 'cause I know that things have to change. But I'd still like to go for a train ride, 'cause I've got a thing about trains. Train, train, train. You're fading from the scene, but you've had your days of glory. Train, train, train. Train, they say you're too slow for traveling, but I'm gonna miss you someday. When my little boy says, Daddy, what was it like to ride a train? I'll just say it was a good way to travel when things didn't move quite so fast. And I'm sorry, son, that you can't ride one. The trains are a thing of the past. Train, train, train. You're fading from the scene, and I'm gonna mourn your passing. Train, train, train. I've got a thing about trains.
Well, that's it for now. We appreciate all your emails and comments you send to us. It's exciting to be connected to this great hobby worldwide. All of us at Model Railroad Minute wish for you and your families a Merry Christmas overflowing with love and laughter, and the hope and magic of a new year. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.